Flexible screwdriver bits are a versatile and practical tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson. There are many products available to choose flexible screwdriver bits, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best flexible screwdriver bits from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Maxxis Flexible Drill Bit Extension Magnetic Hex Soft Shaft. The Maxxis Flexible Drill Bit Extension is an essential tool for repair and installation. It features exquisite craftsmanship, high-quality plastic and metal materials that combine to make it a good helper for various scenarios. The flexible extension can bend, twist, and spin at many different angles, allowing you to work flexibly in various crevices instead of your hand. The inner shaft has a wide rotation range and is stable in mass, and the flexible black sleeve protects your hand from damage. Additionally, the extension is compatible with a small wrench, cordless screwdriver, pneumatic screwdriver, torque drill, and electric screwdriver. It is suitable for many drill and repair scenarios. Number 2. ORI Precision Screwdriver Kit. The ORI Precision Screwdriver Set is a versatile 60-in-1 toolkit designed for repairing laptops, phones, game consoles, and other electronics. With 56 different chrome vanadium steel bits, you'll have the right tool for any repair job. The ergonomic handle, made from a single piece of aluminum and covered with silica gel, provides a comfortable and non-slip grip. The handle also features a ball-bearing mounted swivel top for easier use. This compact and lightweight set is portable, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Additionally, the set includes a flexible shaft, perfect for working on stereo systems and other electronics with hard-to-reach screws. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the ORI Precision Screwdriver Set is a must-have tool for all your repair needs. Number 3. 2-Pack Flexible Drill Bit Extension. The YTF GGY Drill Extension Set offers flexibility and safety with its ability to bend, twist, and rotate at various angles, allowing access to tight spaces. The high-quality, durable construction ensures long-lasting use. With 10 included drill bits, it's practical and easy to replace. This tool is widely used for hardware maintenance and repair, compatible with various types of screwdrivers. The risk-free purchase comes with a commitment to customer satisfaction and quick support. Number 4. GUI 2 PCS Flexible Drill Bit Extension. Are you in need of a versatile tool for those hard-to-reach areas? The GUI Flex Bit Extension is your solution. Its 1/4-inch screwdriver head compatibility and extendable metal hose make it perfect for DIY projects or professional tasks. This flexible extension bends, twists, and spins, allowing you to work effortlessly in tight spaces. The inner shaft provides stability, while the silver sleeve protects your hand. Compatible with various tools, this extension is ideal for reaching computer cases, electrical cabinets, furniture, and more. Number 5. Flexible Drill Bit Extension. The Mdvora Drill Extension and Socket Tool is a versatile kit that includes everything you need for your daily working needs. With 2 PCS bendable drill bit extensions and a 105 degrees right-angle drill, you can easily reach inaccessible narrow places and twist screws and nuts with ease. The 3 PCS 360 degrees rotatable socket adapters and universal socket adapters convert your electric drills into nut socket drivers, allowing for quick and easy socket replacement. The 3 PCS screwdriver bit holders and 10 PCS screwdriver bit set ensure that you have the right tools for any job. The kit is also equipped with a universal socket wrench, making it perfect for home DIY projects and furniture installation and maintenance.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.